Sir Mata Eco Farm Resort Kinesolin. Ayan siya. Ito ang lake view. Laban. Ilaban nyo yan. Walang masyadong people. Today is Thursday. Kaya siguro wala. Baka maraming tao dito, lalo na kapag weekends. Ganyan. Ayun, may playground. O, saan dadaan si Lupi sa playground? Nasaan si Lupi? Naku, kainit. Mainit, baby. Mapapasok ang puwet-puwet. Di ba 300 yung 300 tayo, at 1.5. At least 1.5. Ata? Up, up, up! Wow! Going up! Grabe kayo sa akin, ah. So, si Mami ang hindi lulusot. Ano? Wow. Ay, may ano swing-swing na. Sinibelas. Lagay yun. Hindi pa ng baka bang Diyos ko. Doon muna sila. Wow. Tahimik naman here. Exit this way. Iba doon. Balik, balik. Ayun nga. So, harap ng CR. Diba? Siniguelas Tunnel. Wow. May Siniguelas Tunnel. So, exit say. Ay, go tayo, baby. Off naman. Yes, and check-in guest only. Oh, let's go up, baby. Exit 4. Oh. Ayan. Doon tayo. Up, up. Going up, up, up. Slowly. Slowly. Baby. Slowly. Lupi. Slowly. Slowly. Baby. Slowly. Slowly. Lupi. Slowly. Lupi. Slowly. 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 Kaya pa? Kaya pa po? Last one.